Hey there, this is Mickey3193 again. On to another video. This is another top 5. I was called out by Jimmy Mitchell 24/7 to do my top 5 muscle cars. I believe this is another Tom North challenge. This one's been sitting around for a while, needing to get done again. So I'm going to get straight into this. Nice quick video. If any of these don't truly qualify as a muscle car, I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments below. I'm not 100% on what does classify to be a muscle car. I have some vague idea, but yeah, so I'll get straight into it. At number 5, we have the 71 Maverick Grabber. I just really like the shape of this car. Not sure what it is about it. It's got a really cool looking front end to it. Maybe it's just them 2 spots for eyes on the front. But yeah, love this cast. So yeah, that's the first one. And the second one is going to be the Plymouth Barracuda. Another really cool casting. Really like this one, the way it's got the painted plastic on the top for the roof. Just love the shape of these. Most of these Plymouths I really like. So yeah, that's my number 4. Then we get on to the 69 Camaro. And at number 3. Love the Camaro. Awesome car. Especially the shape of this one. Then on to number 2, we have the 68 Mercury Cougar. Again, that front end, I think this looks amazing, looks awesome. Where it comes down between the grille, the inlet on the hood, a little spoiler on the back there. Cool car. There's a couple of them there. Looks awesome in all 3 colours. So that's my number 2, and my number 1 is the 66 Nova. Now this is one I'm unsure about as to whether it does actually classify as a muscle car. Like I say, let me know if it does, let me know if it doesn't. But yeah, absolutely love this thing, love the shape of it, love that height to it. Looks pretty cool. Just whole nice big box size of it, and again, the front end's not all different to, I suppose, with that grille and the 2 spots, but just how wide it is. Such an awesome car. Love all these Novas. So that is my number 1. So yeah, that was, like I say, just a quick go through. I don't really know who to nominate because I suppose there's a lot of these been done already. So all I'm going to say is possibly toy car, not toy car, Hot Wheels Carvids 001. Give him a shout to do a video. He's got a few videos up. Seems to be another Brit doing Hot Wheels, and just discovered him a couple of days ago. So I've been watching some of his videos. Only got low on the views. So he may not even watch my videos, but I'll give him a shout anyway, so we can get him on. And we'll go. I know Jimmy shouted out to Murdered Out Customs, but I've not actually noticed if he put a video up yet. So I'll shout out to Murdered Out Customs as well. And I think that's it. Yeah. I don't know if thanks kids, if you haven't done it, we'll nominate you. I've not noticed it yet, but I may have missed it. So yeah, that's it for my top 5. I'll say thanks for watching. Thumbs up. See you later.